For centuries, Witchers have watched over this world. They fight monsters, protect the weak, and maintain balance. But not every battle is against evil. Sometimes it's about telling a story.
Welcome Witcher fans and friends of the Witcher world. I'm Rudi, better known as Swiss Witcher. After our first short movie, we had one goal. More action, more adventure, and even more unforgettable moments.
Our first journey with Geralt's Secret was an incredible adventure. With an improvised script, a lot of passion, and a bunch of amazing people, we created an ultra-short film that won the hearts of many fans. But that was just the beginning. First, when I started making the Noon Wraith, it was just a project, it was just a costume, but I never thought it was going to grow into being part of an entire movie. We were all doing our individual little characters, and it all grew into this big project that we never thought would be coming. The day that we spent filming was amazing. You should have been here.
Ich liebe es, den Leshy zu spielen. Denn es ist so cool, sich in ein Monster zu verwandeln, sich anzuziehen, sich so zu bewegen. Es hat so viel Spaß gemacht und ich freue mich auf den zweiten Teil, den Leshy wieder zu spielen.
Now we're planning Geralt's Secret 2, a 20-minute short film that deepens the story, enhances the action and even got more humor. This time we want to tame the chaos with a professional fight choreography, detailed storyboard and the stunning Swiss Alps as our backdrop.
But for that, we need you. Your support is the key to making Geralt's Secret 2 a reality. With your help, we can take this project to the next level and create a fan experience that would make Geralt of Rivia proud. So if you want to support us for the second movie, we are ready to get started and want to bring you along for the journey.
Hast du Lust auf das bäumige Kostüm und die Schweizer Alpen? Dann mach du mit.
Now it's up to you. Support Geralt's Secret 2. Thanks.